This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix my WhatsApp app is crashing on iOS 17 or newer version. So after updating your iPhone, if you're facing this WhatsApp app keep crashing or not opening issue, follow these step-by-step solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is give a simple restart. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and then try to relaunch the WhatsApp app. The second solution is update the WhatsApp app. Go to your App Store, search for WhatsApp. If you see any update available, then update the WhatsApp app and check the issue. If you're still having the same issue, then follow the third solution. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and here scroll down and search for WhatsApp. Then tap on that, tap on Offload app, again tap on Offload app, and reinstall WhatsApp from here and check the issue. And if you're still having the same problem, then follow the last and final solution. Long press on WhatsApp application, tap on remove, and all you have to need just delete or uninstall the WhatsApp app and reinstall it from App Store. And hope any of the solution will fix WhatsApp app keep crashing issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.